What's going on, everyone? Matthew Ablican here on another episode of our vlog. We've got Carson, the cameraman. We have Sarah. And on today's episode, we have a special episode. We are going to be so high, but not that kind of high that you're thinking about. We are going to be high in the sky, taking a look at these upscale penthouse condos located in the heart of downtown Vaughan. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that bell. Let's go. Welcome to Nord Condos by Cortel Group. This is Romina. So tell us about this lobby.
Welcome to our lobby, designed by Thomas Pierce, who are actually here finishing up an installation.
Hey guys.
We started occupying in January and just have continued, even with all the COVID situation. We had to kind of keep moving forward. We had homeowners to deliver homes to, and we couldn't let them down. So we took on different precautions and the necessary steps. We just installed this lovely one-of-a-kind sculpture.
It's awesome.
Here. We have up here the billiards table. It's a nice area. Once again, we're keeping the brightness in here so it feels like you're having a good time.
And that's what we try to tell our clients all the time. This is what you pay for. This is part of your maintenance cost, right? So someone could have their own gym membership, which we're gonna look at. It's a beautiful gym. Someone can pay for their own billiards table and pay for the home that they need to fit this billiards table in, or you can have it as a part of your amenities. It's a lifestyle decision.
Welcome to the Nord Theater Room, Netflix and chill zone.
Yeah, all we need is a popcorn machine.
I know, it's BYOP, bring your own popcorn.
I love that.
But it's a bit bigger, obviously, than a suite kind of living room, so you can have a few friends, a lot of friends.
Oh wow.
The more hangout spaces you can create for people in their own condominium community, the more chances people will create a community where you can potentially run into someone, meet someone, learn something new. So it's a great kind of spaces.
It's I was reading an interesting study. Around the world right now, the most in-demand amenity, correct me if I'm wrong, is a co-working space in a condo building. So this is great. You guys were thinking ahead years ago before all this.
So once again, keeping the same look and feel of everything, super modern, super clean. This is kind of more of a little kind of hangout space if you're throwing a little baby shower, engagement party. You kind of have the outdoor space for as long as you can use it.
That's great. I love the feature with the ceilings, and it kind of looks like each one is going higher and higher, which it is.
We tried to incorporate light because we find it's very impactful and it also makes people feel safe. So having that combo of feeling safe in your space, having it light bright is one great thing, and two, it just makes a big design impact.
Welcome to our pool.
Welcome to paradise. Welcome to our retreat. Welcome to the vacations that unfortunately you won't be booking, and you'll have it right in your own home. It's a resort getaway without having to get away. So
I'm gonna jump it. No, I'm just kidding. P for Penthouse. Wow. This is awesome.
Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms going on, all with their own walk-in closet and bathrooms, which is great. I would say the best view of all of the VMC. Oh my goodness. From the top here. And this is kind of the best part, I would really say, is the Edgeley Pond and Park. So it's 18 acres, untouchable land, no one will build there, owned by the city.
Wow.
Where it will basically be walking trails, bike trails, as you can see, water, Wonderland down there. If you want to go on the other side, you can see the Toronto. You can see a bit of everything from the skyline.
You can almost see a bay too.
Yeah, very soon.
Very soon.
2 years from now.
That's great.
So it just shows how connected you are when you're in the VMC. We have the 407 down the street, 400 right here, subway access, the bus terminal access.
I feel like it has the city feel without the noise.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. And then you have the big Vaughan Mills Mall.
Yeah.
Down the street.
The Cortel Group Vaughan Hospital.
We could see it from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
So never a problem having a hospital close by because God forbid something happens, you can get there as quick as possible.
Yeah.
And you feel a bit safer, which is also a good thing.
Tell us about that. Tell us about the decision in being involved with the hospital, what it means to your family.
Vaughan has done so much for our family. We've started companies here, we've been here, we've been living here for over, I want to say 30 years at this point. And we believe in contributing back to a place that has helped build us up and that we're building in. You can't just build a building and leave, because if you do that, you're not making a community, you're not building a name, you're not building people up, you're just kind of saying, hey, you can just live there.
We've got the chef's room here.
Welcome.
So owners can just come here, cook, prepare a meal for their guests.
Very passionate about it.
Wow.
Hands down, for sure.
You gotta step up your game, Carson. Get more weights on. This is an awesome gym. Look how big this gym is.
It's great. It's state of the art. We've got a lot of exercise machines in here. Of course, we can't miss the weightlifting.
Wow, it even goes behind these walls. You don't need to pay for a gym membership if you're purchasing a condo here. You're already gonna be paying a maintenance fee. But check out all this equipment. Like, this saves you, what do people pay for a gym membership nowadays? 60, 70 bucks, 80?
80 bucks.
100 bucks a month?
Welcome to Penthouse 5 in Tower 2.
Wow, this is beautiful. So we're in the building right across the street from where we were, and this is built by the same builder, and it's a finished Penthouse product, 2 stories. This is beautiful. Really hope you enjoyed this episode of our vlog. Cortel Group is doing amazing things in Vaughan and other areas. They are truly a leader. That's what we should all be aiming to do, becoming leaders in our communities. And this is Matthew checking out. Subscribe, like, leave us a comment, hit that bell, and we'll see you soon.